In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start programming in C language and run your first code successful. We shall need three tools. One is Visual Studio Code, which will be our code editor, and it is the one right here. It is here. Visual Studio Code is called Visual Studio Code. Another one will be the GCC compiler, and these should be installed on our computer. The last tool will be Command Prompt or PowerShell, and these can be accessed by searching for CMD here in the search bar, or you can search for PowerShell, okay, here in the search bar, okay, like this. So CMD like this, or PowerShell, or you can use the PowerShell like this one. It is right here, okay. So let us create our file. We shall create it here. It will be new.c, okay, like that. So here we are going to create our files, but before we create our code, we write our code, we need to first include some file, and it is for the first one, it will be stdio, which stands for standard input and output.h, which is the header file, and also we include another file. So we include another header file. This one should be the std, the standard library.h. And so after that, we need to write our main function, the function where our code execution will begin. So to do that, we use the int main, this int main, these braces, and then the curly brackets. So after that, this is the parentheses, these ones, the parentheses, and then the curly braces. So from there, we need to print something on the screen. So we print something that hello all of you of okay. After doing that, we end our line. So we tell it that it has ended, but after it has ended, we need to first make anything that comes after to go on to the next line. We want the line to the line, this line, the line, yeah, where we're going to put our output our text there, to be reserved for only this text that we want to output on the screen. So to make it so that nothing goes on this line, we need to break this line, to end this line like that, yeah. So everything that comes next, it will go on the next line, yeah. Okay, and after that, we need to do like this one to bring this function system. We want to pause, yeah, so that we can see our window on the screen, yeah. You know, we are going to create a console application, yeah. So we want to see before the console closes, yeah. So to do that, after doing this, we are going to save our file by pressing Ctrl and then S. After that, we are going to open our command prompt, and we are going to run our file. So to go inside, let me first go back. So we are there. So to go, we will say, remember we saved our folder on the desktop. So we need to press to go to type cd desktop like that, and then we type cd set to go into the folder where I saved my file. Then press dr to see our file. It is there, new.c. So to compile it, we need to compile it. So we use the gcc command, gcc, and then the name of our file, which is new.c, and then we press enter. So it will be compiled, and then we type dr to see. So this is our extension, our file. So we run start, and then